Okay, we've had some fires. This one's not too bad. Fires are dying down. But a lot of that dark stuff is soot and ash that's melted with the cleaner. I'm using McKee's M914. So I'm going to try to do a quick test which mitt gets this off. So I think this is a unique opportunity to, with the ash kind of being an equal kind of dirt across the whole top of the car. I'm gonna re-wet it. It's kind of warm out today. I'll come back and re-wet it. You can see how dirty it is. And so I'm going to test two different kinds of mitts. So let's try it out. This is the Amazon noodle mitt. I don't know exactly what they call it, chenille or something. Okay. It's this one here. Amazon Basics. It's pretty heavy with all the liquid in it. So let me go to the back. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and go as far out as I can. I want to go past the 50% mark. I'm going to do one wipe as far as I can. Okay. I'll leave that like that. Looks pretty clean to me. One pass. I'm gonna go ahead and grab. Okay, so I bought two cheap mitts here. I like this one better. It was almost $4. And I bought a big pack of, I thought they were gonna be the same, but you know what? Wash this one to make sure, but this one was like $2.50. Doesn't seem to hold a lot of water. Anyway, I do like this style a little better. All right, let's try it out. One pass. A little, not exactly straight. That one looks good too. Maybe yeah. This might be a two-pass wash here. Let me go ahead and check. Okay, it took me a minute. I had to go get the sponge. I kind of only used this a couple times. I don't think it's this particular brand, but anyway, let's try the sponge. It's a big one. Suds Buds, I think they call it. Does really hold a lot of water. All right, here we go. Let's do it like that. All right. All right, it didn't come up all the way against the rail here. It's a little bit of dirt there. I do feel like the mitts grab more dirt and the sponge is easier to rinse out. So if you're doing the one bucket method with just the single sponge with a grit guard, I think the sponge is the way to go. But I do believe see, I don't want to put this in there. I could do this backside, but I was just testing it. Let me set it here. And this mitt is the other mitt that I bought, which I like. This was the $4 one versus the $2.50. All right. See, that sponge left dirt here. I don't like the sponge, sorry. I think these mitts, especially this one, but even the noodle one gets this stuff off. Look at that. Yeah, I'm telling you, that's why. It's not a huge deal, but I don't want to go over my car twice or 3 times. I'll test it again on the back side.